Hello people, welcome to my channel. What I'm going to do today is go through with you some steps of how you can reset your IQ3 remote control. This is a remote control for Foxtel. If you are using a Foxtel box and your remote control is playing up or it's been unpaired, I will take you some steps of how you can reset your remote control. So these remote controls, at times they just unpair themselves. And how can you tell that your remote is unpaired? Is anytime you press it on, the light will flicker like that, then disappears. So if I point this to my Foxtel box and press it and try to see if there's anything which will happen on the telly, if I'm trying to move the channels up and down or increase the volume, nothing will happen on the telly. That means the remote control is unpaired. So what I'll do is go through some steps of how you can reset your remote control if it is playing up like this. So what you need to do first is open the back of your remote control, just like that. And at the back you locate a button. Mine is a red button. I don't know with yours, it might have a different color. So what you need to do is to press that button for about 10 to 15 seconds. That way you'll be resetting the remote control. So if you press that button for about 10 to 15 seconds, then if you turn around your remote control, this light should flicker for a longer period. So what you need to do is to wait for that light to disappear first before you start resetting it. So give it some time for the light to go off first. Then from there we go on to pair it. As it's doing now, it's just been trying to search for the box. So what you're going to do next is to press the select button whilst the dashboard, this part of your Foxtel IQ box, it should be illuminated, it should be bright. So what you need to do is to press your finger down there so the light comes on. And when you do that, you should be ready to press your select button on your remote control. So what I do is go on to find out. These things at times can be funny. Okay, there we are. So press on that until that disappears. As soon as it disappears, I'll release on here, and you can see straight away the light will disappear on your remote control. And on your telly, it will give you that information that your IQ3 remote is now paired. So as I mentioned, that as soon as the light comes off on the box, you press the select button while it's pointing onto the box until the light fades away. As soon as it fades away, you release the button, then you should receive, or you should get that information there with saying that your remote is now being paired. Now if I go into my report and press any of the buttons there, you can see now that is now working. Yeah, the remote is now working. So if I can go down, I can increase the volume. That means my remote is now been paired. So there you are. That's how you can pair your remote control. So these are simple steps of anyone who can do this, can follow the instructions and do it. So if you like this video, please press like. And also please subscribe, so it will be easier for you next time you want to pair your remote. You know where to go. You simply go back onto your saved videos, and you can go through the instructions and your remote will be working again. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please press like and please subscribe. Okay, thank you.